keep on running around with other women in town. Yes! Yes! I've had enough of these games. I will be kicking you out. I keep on telling you where you don't come home from my town. I've had enough of these games. I will be kicking you out. I've had enough of these games. I've had enough of these games. I will be kicking you out.
Okay, so guys, good evening. So, kakatapos lang po nung second quarter tournament ng Bacolod Tennis Association. So, nakaabot po tayo ng finals. Subalit, runner-up lang tayo ngayon. Pero, masayang-masaya naman po ako sa result kasi first time ko pong sumabak sa Class A and Class B plus na category. So, that itself is already an achievement for me. And then, shout out po sa aking partner, si Uncle Peanuts. Kel, thank you po sa partnership ta. Langgayon kuya munta, poon sa poon. Kunding adto talagang finals, isita naman. Medyo masakit talaga to. Maski sa isa man na naging nakalaban ko nag-champion, talagang dinipisilan. So, thank you so much po. So, also, I would like to thank Father Roy Arvin Rania for blessing the new Balta Clubhouse. So, yung bagong clubhouse po ng Balta is my major project for under my term. So, matagal ko na po siyang na-conceptualize. Sabi ko gusto kong palagyan ng extension yung greenboard area. So, nung na-extend po siya, lumawak yung space. So, converted na po siya into a clubhouse. So, it's part of my vision na gusto kong i-improve ang amenities and facilities ng aming court. And then, eventually, mag-i-improve pa po siya. May mga idadagdag kami pa konti-konting mga features and amenities na sa tingin ko naman po ay essential sa aming club. So, ito po ang aking vlog ng second quarter tournament and I hope mag-enjoy po kayo. Good morning guys, so today is the second quarterly tennis tournament dito po sa Bacolod Tennis Association dito sa Dr. Vicente Ramirez Memorial Tennis Court. So there is a game ongoing.
Yes! Yes!
Na-video! Highlight! So guys, so ang quarterly tournaments dito po sa Balta is a long tradition here. Ang sponsors po ngayon ay ang mga celebrants from April, May, and June. So thank you po sa ating mga celebrants na nag-sponsor nitong tournament and good luck po sa mga participants. Kaway-kaway! Balta second quarter tournament. Free breakfast. Tournament sa Balta. Kaway, 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 kaway. Kaway na, Kol. Kaway, kaway. Sir, kaway po. Ma'am, kaway po, ma'am. Kaway, 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 kaway. Kaway, kaway. Let's go, second quarter. Okay, so guys, kami na pong sunod maglalaro. So, good luck sa amin ng aking partner. So, let's go guys. Update ako maya-maya.
Okay, what's poppin'? Way too many people trying to stop 'em. Whoa, a lot of talk. Hey, how you tell but never show? I show you how I'm rockin'. Whoa, how does fish grease? Need my bands, do my dance with the increase. Welcome to the big leagues. This the big leagues. This the big leagues. Need my jersey in the rafters. You know when I leave it ain't gon' be nobody after. If you scared, call your past, go to church or something. I've been in here working some, been heartbreak, I'm hurt some. I was up all night, I seen the sun come up first or something. I feel alright, got the curtains on them. Hey, whoa, hopping it quick, I go. I take this ain't old, I just slid, I know. Okay, what's poppin'? Way too many people trying to stop 'em. Whoa, a lot of talk. Hey, how you tell but never show? I show you how I'm rockin'. Whoa, how does fish grease? Need my bands, do my dance with the increase. Welcome to the big leagues. This the big leagues. This the big leagues. Yeah, home base, home run, made it back safe. No one coming the same. Load the flame on the game. I got rank, and I swing down the lane, ripping grain, I got it. Yo, hoe went in my pocket. Don't know how they gon' stop it.
Nice.
She hate the way I'm cocky. Right after she gon' go. My whole mouth full of gold. I came up on my own. Can't change my ways, I know. Hey.
Game it.
Too many people trying to stop 'em. Whoa, a lot of talk. Hey, how you tell me never show? I show you how I'm rocking. Whoa, how does fish grease? Need my bands, do my dance with the increase. Welcome to the big leagues. This the big leagues. This the big leagues.
Ready. Nice. Oh, ready. Di pa karan eh. Tataan ka ni mo. Oh. Game. Balikan. Ah! Guys!
Okay, so what's up guys? So kakatapos lang nung laro namin. So pinalad po kaming manalo, 8-5 yung score. So shoutout sa aking partner si Uncle Peanuts Bangkaso. Thank you. Ang ganda nung laro namin kanina. Ganda rin nung laro nung kalaban namin, talagang both pairs maganda yung pinakitang laro. Talagang spin kong spin, power kong power. So yung next na laban po namin is tomorrow na, Sunday. So hopefully makapanalo pa rin at sunod-sunod diretso sa sa sunod na level. So shout out kay Buddy. Siya yung nag-video ng match namin kanina. Thank you ding. Balik na nga ng tennis. So ayan po guys. So continuation po ng mga games. Malapit na pong mag-night session. So again, thank you pala sa second quarter celebrants for sponsoring this tournament. All out support din po tayo si Press 25. So let's go guys. Thank you. Good morning guys. So today is the third day of the second quarter tournament dito sa Baaw Lawn Tennis Association. So this day matatapos na po yung laro, mga pa-semis na po yung mga players, and then mamayang hapon po yung finals. So on our side, nasa semis na po kami, may makakalaban na. So waiting na lang po kami sa aming game, and then update na lang po ako mamaya.
Ay, ganda! Ganda! Ganda!
So good morning guys. So pinalad po tayo makapasok sa championship. So ngayon mag-blessing muna po tayo ng bagong clubhouse dito sa Balta. Ayan po guys yung mga kalaban namin. Matagas shot! Congrats! Congrats! First trophy!
Candel.